Yo, 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 Alex Jenkins checking in right now. In a trade. Trade's about over. As y'all can see, I'm on USD JPY. I got in at 109.76. Right now, the market's at 109.52. I'm in profit right now as you speak, as you've seen. I had another trade in that was a whole different story. My pocket was on my phone. I did it on the app, and trade disappeared. So, well, it got closed out and settled. But this trade about to win. Very short video, not even a minute long. Pretty good video. Pretty good trade. As you can see, I got in at 76 up here, or down here. And I can see where the market fell to, right here. So excellent trade, good victory. Boom, there's the victory. I'm at 236 on the live account. We on. We on. All right. Alex Jenkins checking out.